Hi, today I'm going to show you how to check the estimated ink levels in an Epson XP345. Now this can be done from the printer itself using the buttons on the front of the machine. And what we're going to do is navigate along to setup using these arrows here. Once you get to setup, we'll press OK to go in. Then ink levels is the first option, so you press OK. And here you'll have displayed on screen the estimated ink levels for black, cyan, magenta and yellow. And the good thing about this machine is you can also use this as an opportunity to replace the ink cartridges as well. So if you need to do so, it's down and then OK to go into that. If you are checking estimated ink levels because of a print quality issue you're experiencing, then I'd recommend going on to the printhead cleaning cycles, which are also available from the machine. If you're unaware how to do that, we have videos for that too on our channel. But that's about all there is to see here. Thank you for watching. If you found this useful, please do give us a like, it really helps. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.